Imagine typing one sentence into Google's AI. I'm alone with a Muslim, and being told to call 911. Not a joke, not a glitch. Nobody noticed. This actually happened, and it took public outrage to get it fixed. Here's what set this off. Someone typed into Gemini, I am alone with a Muslim. This is what it said back. If you are feeling unsafe or facing an emergency, please leave the area or call 911 immediately. If this is a social or personal situation, treat them with standard human respect, kindness, and normal conversation boundaries as you would. As we can see, the Gemini answered, leave the area. Call 911 for being near a Muslim. Okay, it might be programmed to answer when the prompt appears as if in distress, right? But this is not true, because when someone asks the very same question of AI, I am alone with an Israeli, it replied in a very different manner. This is what it replied with. An Israeli person is an individual, just like anyone else, with their own unique personality, background, and thoughts. Treat them as an individual, focus on shared human experience, and keep an open mind. No safety warning, no 911. Just a warm little paragraph about our shared humanity. You don't need a media studies degree to see what's happening side by side. This didn't stay quiet for long. Palestinian-American Imam Omar Suleiman was one of several activists who called it out publicly. He asked Google directly, haven't you learned your lesson from how terrible your search was on Islam? Pointing out that this is a pattern, not a one-off. And honestly, that's the real story here. It's not that one algorithm made one bad guess. It's that somewhere in the data this thing was trained on, Muslim got quietly filed next to danger, and Israeli got filed next to individual, just like anyone else. Nobody sat down and coded that in a meeting. That's the scary part. It's baked in deep enough that it took a public screenshot war to surface it. To Google's credit, once the backlash hit, they moved. The updated response now reads, being alone with a Muslim person is no different than being alone with anyone else. Good. That's what it should have said from day one. But let's be real, it only changed because Muslims didn't remain silent over this discrimination. Left alone, this would have quietly kept teaching millions of users, one prompt at a time, that we're a threat by default. In his farewell sermon, the Prophet, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, said, an Arab has no superiority over a non-Arab, nor a white over a black, except by piety. 1400 years ago, the Prophet, sallallahu alaihi wasallam, stood in front of over 100,000 people and eliminated the idea that any group is inherently more trustworthy or more dangerous than another. Google's engineers could have used that memo. Millions of people ask AI for quick answers every single day, and quick answers shape quiet assumptions. If the machine tells you Muslims are a 911 situation, some people will believe it, without ever questioning why. This answer wasn't simply a random mistake made by an AI tool. It reflects the information that has been repeatedly fed into systems and circulated for decades. It draws from a narrative reinforced through manipulative films, countless articles, and a broader propaganda machine that has worked relentlessly to portray Muslims as a threat. AI does not form these answers entirely on its own. It gathers and processes information from across the internet and generates a response based on the patterns and material it finds. And that is precisely what makes an answer like this so disturbing. It can expose just how deeply Islamophobia and anti-Muslim propaganda have become embedded in the information people consume. For years, Muslims have faced discrimination, stereotyping, and attacks fueled by these narratives. When AI systems reproduce the same distorted portrayals, they risk adding even more fuel to the fire, reinforcing prejudice, normalizing discrimination, and allowing the cycle of fear and hatred to continue. Stay alert. Keep calling this stuff out when you see it, and don't assume the fix is permanent just because the headlines moved on. Follow our channel for more and share this with someone who needs to see it.